Why is he starting a vlog on top of a giant parking tower? Don't ask questions. I just thought maybe you guys would want to see the majestic view. To be honest, it's not that great. I took my drone up, still not that great. This area was kind of like restricted, not restricted. I mean, a chain does so much. I haven't really done a lot of vlogging because I just haven't been doing it. I don't know. But I mean, I went to Disney World and went fishing, didn't catch anything, but I got to hold a fish, and that was about it. I mean, I got clips, but I didn't get like a whole vlog. I didn't want to edit it. So my favorite thing about these Smoky Mountains is that there's literally no radio stations. All the radio stations are fuzzy, even if they're close by, because the mountains get in the way. But today's agenda, I'm going to an Easter banquet because a person from McDonald's invited me. And then after I find a camp, then I actually get to fly the drone and then do pictures, and then I'll go hike and I'll have a dandy old time. I'm wearing the hat instead of sunglasses today, and it feels weird. I feel like I should have shades on. Oh right, oh right, oh right. Finally gonna take off the drone in somewhere that isn't terrible looking. We made it up into the actual mountains. It's wide so you don't see it, but there's a ton of mountains out there. Well, I say cliff, but it's really just like a hillside that drops off into nothing. See, now you can see there's a storm coming in over there. I don't know what that's about. But see, mountains. So we're gonna take off, see what it looks like from even higher. Hopefully you just got done watching all the nice little drone footage of the mountain. I used both batteries, so I have to go charge again. Hopefully I make it in time for the sunset. I really like to get, one, a sunset over the mountains, and two, I need to get the fog rolling in the mountains, but it's at like 6 a.m. traveling in the United States, but still, is it good enough of a reason to get up at 6 in the morning? Debatable. You know, be an interesting idea is if I climbed on my car. I didn't make it. Okay. Try number 2. Don't knock the drone. Okay, maybe we're not gonna do it from the stupid side, and we're gonna do it where, wow, it's very hard. 2 cameras. One, you can't see the goat. Okay, vlogging with 2 cameras. We're gonna go into this one now. Okay guys, this is what we're getting photos of. Not the bush, but I mean, we're getting that. I think that's about the framing we want, and then focus will be, the point I'm focusing on right now is that hill in between the trees right there and the mountain back there, focusing on the one in the middle of the screen. Alrighty, we got the photo, and I'm gonna zoom back out into the GoPro. Alright, and now we get down. Oh, bad legs, bad legs. Now, since both these batteries are dead, yeah, the other one's dead too, we're gonna go to McDonald's, because that's the only place you can charge stuff. And yeah, I could go to a hotel, but that's like $80 to charge 2 batteries. Why do that when I could pay $5 for a McCheeseburger and charge my batteries? I think I haven't used this thing the entire trip. I'm gonna try and get like a cool little cinematic thing without any shakiness, and then see, like, do basically this, but without, you won't see my hand shake. Just like here. Okay, I'll set that there, and then hopefully you can see, you just twist this, unlock, put the gimbal in until it clicks, and then lock it. Boom, done. Now I put this in there, and alrighty, now that that's in there, we will turn this thing on, and you'll watch it. Hey! So I don't really know why I didn't use this thing before. It's just kind of inconvenient to carry, but like I can lock it on my face, and then should be pretty stable spin. But anyhow, maybe here, I'm gonna, also another thing is like, you can't like just, it does, I'm moving my arm up and down right now and it isn't moving. It just takes a little bit to get used to. Let's see how stable this thing is. I'm gonna hold it the entire time I'm getting onto the car, all the way up. Oh, check out this dynamic. I don't really know if that was stable or if it just sounds like me being stupid. Gosh, but I'd hate to get nothing with this. I'm just gonna do like a nice little, see this bush? Watch this. Bush reveal. I'll put some music over that and like color grade it. It'll look... Let me tell you, dynamic. Okay, now you can see in the door. Wow, that's my car. And in we go. Come to think of it, I might want to get my equipment first. Let's play how many times will Michael walk back to his car before he grabs all the equipment he needs. Because I don't have a tripod, it's in there. I was like, I can do it handheld. I've got a pretty steady hand, and it's like, oh wait, you're gonna look like I have cerebral palsy or something. I'm actually using the display of my camera as light. I should probably acknowledge the fact that I just saw a bear on this hill literally 5 minutes ago, and then I get out of my car, walk 100 feet away, and continue doing photography. Only thing I could have done worse is have a Slim Jim in my pocket. So I'm gonna be a little bit more careful and be like, probably not stand way too far away from my car. Or maybe at least try to have some kind of knife on me, because I have knives in my car. I just don't carry them with me most of the time. Actually, come to think of it, I have a carbon fiber tripod, so it's very lightweight, but very durable. I can use that as a sledgehammer. Or if it's extended a bow staff, did I just invent like the most versatile weapon in the world? Well, I've got every single light on in the car, so hopefully I'm well lit-ish. I was gonna drive like halfway to where I'm going tomorrow, which should be like Virginia, Smoky Mountains, somewhere. But then the road's closed, so yay. So I'm gonna stay here at the top of this mountain because there's no one else here and it's quiet. I'm actually gonna like end the vlog rather than just stopping, because I have a tendency of doing that apparently. If you've enjoyed, give it a like. If you want to see more videos like this, give it a subscribe. If you have any comments on what I can do or where I should go, leave that down below. And I will see you guys tomorrow.